Alright, last tutorial I showed you how to make a star in the world shader as the main light source for our procedural planet. Now we're going to make some planetary rings. So make a circle and give it 512 vertices and scale it to about yay big, or here, scale it 1.5 times and then S. So extrude and scale to however big you want. I'm going to do like 2 meters. Okay. Now give it a new material called rings. And I'm just going to set up my camera here for now. And go to the shading tab. And let's get our material set up. So you want a texture coordinate object into surface. Here, I'm going to hide our atmosphere for a second. Okay, texture coordinate object. And then you want a vector math node. Set that to length. And then plug a noise texture in right here. Set the scale to like 2500. Set the detail to 15. Roughness of 0. And then grab a math power. Clamp that. Actually, no, you don't need to clamp that yet. Actually, just clamp it for now. We'll see if it makes a difference in the end. And then grab my multiply, also clamp that, multiply it by 15. Okie dokie. Grab a map range, put it here, set your from min to 2.5, plug your length value into there, and then grab another noise texture and plug it in right there. And then set your scale to about 5, detail of about 2.5, roughness of about 0.5, and another map range after this. Set your from max to about 0.75 and your from min to about 0.25. There we go. So we've got these two textures now. Now we need to mix these together, or actually multiply them by about 0.835 as your factor. Looks good. Okay, and then here you want a color ramp. And want 4 color stops. Set this one to 0.333, this one to 0.666, and then just pick some colors. Here, I'm just going to copy this color for all of these and then adjust them a little bit. So let's make this one a little bit brighter, but also desaturated. Let's make this one a little more vibrant. And then the last one, make it quite bright, desaturated a lot. It's a bit of an odd color. There we go. Okay, now grab a hue saturation value node. Set your saturation to about 0.85 and your value to 2. Okay. Now you want to plug this into a diffuse BSDF with 0 roughness. and uh, grab an add shader and a mix oops, sorry, and a mix shader. And after your multiply, grab a math power node, an exponent of about 5, and then right here, you're going to clamp this, set this to multiply it by 1024, hook that up to there, plug this into the factor, and grab a transparent BSDF and plug that into the bottom shader here. And then grab a translucent BSDF, plug that into the add shader down here, plug in the color from there, and then grab a vector math scale into the color output, no, wrong one, into the color output of the translucent shader and pick something like 0.15. However, or whatever this value is, kind of tells it how much light should pass through and bounce in the rings. I like 0.15. I think it looks nice. That is pretty much it for this tutorial. It's a quick tutorial. This is probably going to be one of the last ones, last tutorials for the procedural planet. I'm hoping on maybe making one for some clouds, quick clouds. Have fun experimenting around with the colors and noise and whatnot.